Today's date is the 17th. She's up, just cracking over. To let her get some air. So let's see what takes place.